Chris and Bonnie here with CPAP.com to instruct how to install the Z1 disposable filter into the Z1 travel CPAP machine. You will notice that the Z1 disposable filter is a conical shape with an open end and a closed pointed end. Also, there is a rounded side and a flatter side which is seamed to hold the filter together. To install the filter, first you will need to remove the plastic end cap from the Z1 machine. You will notice that likewise the plastic end cap has a more rounded side and also a flatter side. With this, you will need to install the filter with the pointed end going in first, and the rounded side up, and the seamed side down. Once this is installed into the end cap, you can then replace the end cap onto the machine with the rounded side up and the flat side down. This filter will need to be installed prior to first use as it does come packaged out of the end cap on arrival. To view these items and more, please visit us at cpap.com.